We're going through a bed replacement for the critical care units as well as labor and delivery. Today we've got 27 beds coming out of the ICU, 20 at Candler Hospital and 9 at St. Joe. So it's a total of 29. The donation consists of 27 though. And those beds that are coming out of service will be donated to the Ukraine. We've got a relationship with Lilia Tashuk, who works for S2S Global, one of our vending partners. She is of Ukrainian descent, and she has made arrangements to donate truckloads of supplies, medical and otherwise, to the Ukraine. So we've got an opportunity here working with her to repurpose these critical care beds to hospitals in the Ukraine, hospitals that have been destroyed by the war, and the need is extremely great. So this is one of the great things about working with a faith-based organization is we want to give back to the community, help the community with the healthcare needs. We've done this before with other countries. We've donated medical equipment to Guatemala, Africa, and this is an opportunity now to help the Ukrainian people in this really hard time that they're going through.